returns. The wealthy, they invest for regret minimization.
You think the game is cash flow, but the real game, it's stability and chaos.
This is Billionaire's take, and these are the 5 investments that don't show up on your bank statement, but shape your entire fortune. The poor trade energy for approval. The wealthy invest in conviction, unshakable internal alignment.
Conviction makes you weather storms. Not because you're right, but because you know why you're doing what you do.
They journal more than they tweet. They reflect more than they react.
Conviction is the currency that buys courage when markets crash, when teams walk away, when success isn't yet visible.
They don't learn to get jobs. They learn to build tools that multiply their time.
Writing, persuasion, code, systems.
Skills that compound, that scale without your presence.
They ask, what can I build once that pays me forever?
They don't just invest in learning, they invest in leverage.
Thinking is a high-return activity, but it's never on your to-do list.
Billionaires schedule silence, like meetings, non-negotiable.
They use mental models to run scenarios, like Charlie Munger's lattice work, or Taleb's asymmetry test, or Kahneman's slow versus fast thinking.
They don't react, they simulate.
Their ROI isn't output, it's clarity.
While most invest in marketing, the wealthy invest in trust.
A good name compounds faster than capital. One whisper from the right room. And doors open without you knocking.
They don't network, they signal alignment.
Billionaires play status games in long-term loops. Not by going viral, but by being reliable when no one's watching.
They move cities, redesign offices, even cut family off to upgrade their operating environment.
They ask, does this place challenge me? Do these people reflect my vision? Am I playing a small game in a big body?
They design friction-free rooms where focus is natural and greatness becomes inevitable.
Your environment is your silent investor, always compounding or costing you.
Most people invest in assets, but forget to invest in the asset that chooses the assets, their mind.
Cash is useful, but cash without character, clarity, and conviction, it's just chaos in a bank account.
You don't build wealth by chasing returns. You build it by multiplying who you are.
So before you invest in stocks, invest in silence, in leverage, in rooms that demand your evolution.
This is Billionaire's take, and now you know. The greatest returns come from what the market can't price.